Welcome to the Gallon Kitchen. Grab your pan. Jack up the heat. Little bit. Halfway there. Dash in your ground beef. Grab a spoon and mash it up. Dash in some Gallon Kitchen lemon pepper. Also, you're going to sprinkle some Sicilian seasoning pan him from the Gallon Kitchen. We're going to add some canned diced tomato from Kirkland. What we're going to do now is make that simmer till it can't drive no bimmer. Add some fresh black pepper. Me just squeeze in some tomato paste. Boy, the basil tree are dead, so I just go and pick them off. Not telling no lie. Pick them off. We'll wash it so now to drop it in the pan. We want a little bit of spice, so I'm gonna add some Cajun from the Gallon Kitchen. Just sprinkle a little bit. Sprinkle little bit. Little bit, sprinkle. What we're gonna do now is put in some fresh garlic. Me already put in 2, the third one in here, so. Turn your stove on low. Go on the next side and medium heat. Get your pan. This meat sauce is not only good with spaghetti or any type of pasta, but it's also good to eat with the taco. Due to the fact that I couldn't find the small wrap, so I just go on with the big wrap. So I make one big taco wrap. We're gonna add with moist meat. Anybody where get taco, the meat of your dry like a chip. If you have moisture to it, watch out. Add your lettuce. Grate some cheese or a lot of cheese. Add your sour cream. If you're lactose like me, please get some yogurt instead of this because yeah, me know some my belly hurt me. To the way all me stuff it, me can't even show no one good picture of it, but this is it. Can't wait to eat it. Me already start without it, you know. Oh. So good. Hope you try this, and I love you later. Bye.